this is like this is literally the best opening on YouTube. Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have got a big blue tin, a big yellow tin and a big pink tin to open, so I hope you enjoy. Subscribe and let's see if we get any good cards. So we're going to open up this big blue tin first. So we got, oh no, it doesn't come up. Okay, here you go. We've got the tin there, and let's get on to the open. Let's see what's inside. Oh, we got Defensive Rock Laporte and Elite Redmond. Oh, look at what we've got. Golden Baller inside. So at the end of this blue tin opening, we will open this. So let's get out all the packs. Okay, so we've got Edison limited edition in that box. So we have got loads of these packs to open, and let's get in to the opening. So guys, my brother Shay is going to open a pack in a minute. Say hi, Shay.
Hi.
So here's the free digital pack. Johnstone Hero. The Sheffield United badge, which I already have. Tim Ream, Chris Basham, Westwood, and Connor Horian. So we've got a great start of the open. We already got Pat. Okay, so my brother Shay is going to open a pack. Okay, my brother is going to open the pack now. So Shay, you're going to show everyone who you've got. Will you get a great card? Let's find out. So Shay, here you go. You can show me who you've got. He's got Rashford Golden Baller. He's got a Rashford Golden Baller, Shay. Look who you got. A Rashford Golden Baller. How? What an opening, Shay. High five. So guys, Shay got me that Golden Baller Rashford. Okay, so here is a card. Now here's the pack. Okay. Defensive Rock. Harry Kane.
Sorry.
Sanderberger. Aguero. Jota. And Pereira. So here's a pack. Gundogan, Martinelli, Lundstram, Liverpool lineup, and Townsend. Guendouzi.
Come out with me in the car and then get some football boots.
O'Connell Defensive Rock. Tottenham lineup. Ender Stevens, Vestergaard, and Basuma. Free digital pack. Wolves badge. Harry Winks. Rodrigo. Mason Greenwood. Mason Mount, and Sergei Aurier. Mane Lightning. Huh?
You open this one?
No, not yet. I'm going to open it at the end. Soyuncu Defender. Klitsch.
So you got that anyway, did you see?
Greater. And a trophy card. And I got another one in the last video.
Right, Shay.
1 in 50 packs that card. So now we have got a trophy, Rashford and Edison. and 1. So this is the last pack of the blue tin one, and then we're going to go on to the yellow one here.
Do the baller. Do the baller. I want to see what it is for girl.
So, Abraham, Rashford, Gundogan, Otto, Jesus, Elite, and Ailing Hero. So now we are going to go on to this golden baller pack. Hopefully we get a card that I need for my binder. And we got Son, which I don't... No, Harry Kane, which I don't have yet. With 100 for all of these. This is probably one of the best openings I have ever done. So we got Harry Kane, Premier League trophy, Rashford's golden baller, and Edison. I don't know, it's going to be hard for what the card of the day is going to be. So we have finished this blue tin. I think that was a great opening. So now we are good. It's not over yet. We are going on to the yellow tin. So let's open it. So here is the yellow tin with another golden baller pack inside. So here it is, and I think it will have 10 packs in each. No, 8 packs in each. So once again, I have another golden baller pack that I'm going to open at the end of this box. We have got 2 cards that are out, Ailing and Hugo Lloris. So I think you just get 10 cards for free. The small card, no. Oh, we got another limited edition, Richarlison. Gee, and that is another great card into our collection. Into our collection for my binder. So now we're going to open all these 8 packs. This opening is just going to be one of the best ones, probably on YouTube. Well, not on YouTube, but Dan Burn, Jorginho. We're getting so many Sheffield United players, which I like to see, which I love to see. Connor Cody, John Egan, Bruno Fernandes, and Lejeune for Newcastle United. I feel sorry for Newcastle fans. It was so close for the takeover to happen, but it didn't happen. I just feel sorry for Newcastle fans. Okay. Man United badge. I've got a few of them actually. Townsend. Kamara. Eric Lamela. Bernardo Silva and Grosicki. I can't pronounce these players. Comment down below, what team do you support in the Premier League? And if it's not Premier League, just tell me what league your favourite team is and what team it is. Mine is the Premier League, Sheffield United. Which probably some people will probably know. Okay, so Dan Burn, Haller, Yedlin, Zuma, Fulham badge, and N'Golo Kante. So this is my brother's pack, which I'm going to open for him. Is this going to be a lucky pack? So this is going to be a lucky pack for him. He already had a lucky pack after he opened the Golden Baller. John Lundstrom, Darnell Furlong, Van Dijk, and Milojevic. Okay, on to the next pack. For nows, Gundogan, Milojevic, West Bromwich Albion lineup, DJ Empo lineup, and Rui Patricio, top keeper. I would love to get a top keeper, a golden baller. After I put my cards in the binder, I'm going to show you my binder. Hugo Lloris, top keeper. Louise. Donny Louise. Go, go. Okay. Stuart Armstrong. Sawyers. Kyle Bartley. And Henderson. So guys, I just moved to a different side because I don't think the lighting was good for you guys there, but I'm sorry, but if the lighting's better, just comment down below. I just don't know. Okay, so 3 digital pack, which I'll open. Montoya. For the next video, if you want me to show the 3 digital packs for you, I will do it so you can get the 3 digital. No, you can open the 3 digital packs for yourself. Neves, Everton, lineup, Holgate, Morgan Gibbs White, and finally Madison hero card. So guys, we are on one more pack to go until we will open this golden baller. Hopefully it's one that I just need for my binder. Okay, who is it gonna be? Okay, 3 digital pack. Lacazette. Diego Jota. Musa DJ Empo. Sergio Aguero. Fulham lineup, and Tom Kenny for Fulham. What do you think? Do you think Fulham will stay up in this season? I don't think they will, especially their performance against Arsenal. I don't think they're gonna have a good season. But now we have a golden baller pack inside. I was about to open it and then I just forgot it's not a normal one. So ready? Will we get a good card? Oh, and we got another Harry Kane that I got. So I got 2 now. But now I'm going to put it into the pile. So let's look at the best cards that will qualify into the card of the day. So Harry Kane, Richarlison, Edison, Rashford, trophy cards, and another Harry Kane. So now, finally, we are on to... Oh, and I forgot to show you, I am going to open this as well with 2 packs in. So look out for that in the last bit of the video. Okay, so we got this pink tin now. So after this, we're going to open the magazine, and that will be the end of the video. Okay, so here is the pink tin. I'm gonna get 8 packs out, and there's gonna be 2 random cards. So Manchester City a badge, and Adama Traore for Wolves. I can't believe how Sheffield United played yesterday. It was just so poor, their performance. But as a Sheffield United fan, I think Wolves were like 100% the better side in that game. So we have got Jordan Henderson limited edition there. We got this golden baller pack that I'm going to open at the end. So I've opened 16 packs so far. And we've got 10 more packs to go because of the magazine. And hopefully I get a good card. Okay. No, 3 digital pack. Jack O'Connell defensive rock. Brighton badge. Jordan Pickford. Alexander Arnold. Cresswell. Bertrand and Snodgrass. Okay, we have got this much cards in this opening. Hopefully, one of these next packs is gonna be a card that's gonna be a great one. Okay, so 3 digital pack. Oh. We got a Mo Salah golden baller. I saw something on the side here. I'm just like, what is that? And then I turned it around, and it's a golden baller Salah. This opening, Raul Jimenez elite. Struck. Tom Heaton. Raul Jimenez and Marcus Alonso. I can't believe. Oh, and we even got another. We got 6 packs and plus another one. This is literally going out so well. I thought it was going to be good, but not this good. Okay. So Romeo. Cooper. Muoy. Kieran Tierney. Matthew Lowton and Longstaff hero cards. So we've got a few packs left in this tin, and then we're going to move on to the magazine. Okay, so Ailing hero card, West Ham United badge, Jake Livermore, Reece James, Mark Noble, Alan St. Maximin, Ryan Fredericks, and Wilfred Ndidi. Okay, so we've got 4 more packs to go until we move on to the golden baller pack. Okay. Declan Rice. Let's see. Okay, Edison. Pablo Hernandez. Stevens. Cheryl Long and Stuart Dallas. Okay, guys, I will be right back because I need a toilet break. I really shouldn't be telling you this, guys, but I need a toilet break, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back from my toilet break, but now we are going to continue with this pack opening with 3 packs left. So let's do it. Okay, 3 digital pack. Laporte. Neil Maupay. And Callum Chambers. Ruben Venega, I'm not sure. George Baldock and Granit Xhaka. So two packs to go, and we're gonna go after that. After the 2 packs, we're gonna go on to the magazine, and then that's the end of the video. Okay, Lightning. Matt Target, Jorginho, Telemans, Fred, and finally, John Lundstram, Game Breaker. So now we're on to this final pack of the pink tin until we go on to the golden baller pack. Okay. This is going to be a great squad that I'm going to make at the end. 3 digital pack. Fabianski. Raul Jimenez Elite. John Joe Shelby. Sheffield United lineup. Dwight McNeil, and finally, Mark Albrighton. Now, this is the final golden baller pack. So let's hope this is going to be a card that I don't have. And the card is, he's a Tottenham player. He is a forward. He is Son Heung-min. What an opening this is. Oh, this is going to be a great squad that I'm going to make when at the end of this opening, after I open this magazine now. So it's got 2 packs in, and then we're going to make a squad, card of the day, and then it's the end of the video. Okay, so here's a magazine there. Can't wait to read that. But we have got these 2 final packs to open, and then it's the end of the opening, and then we'll make our best team we can. Okay, Mark Bamford, Oliver McBurney, Ndidi, Mason Mount, and Jannik Vestergaard. So now this final pack. Will this pack be the best, make this opening better than what it is already? Let's see. Okay, so final pack. We're going to go slow with this one. Fabianski. Okay. Jack Cork. Dean Henderson. Okay. Wilfred Zaha. And the final card is a diamond, but who is it? It's Dwight McNeil. So guys, that is the end of the opening. That opening was just like great, and I mean great. And what we're going to do now, we're going to put a squad from the opening, and whoever's in the squad has a chance of being in the card of the day. So let's do it now. So guys, I've been a little bit of a cheat and put 5 for each position except from the goalkeeper. So for the attack, I went for the 2 main strikers at Tottenham, Harry Kane and Son. And then after we got Salah and Marcus Rashford and another Harry Kane. And yes, this is all in the same opening. This is how good their team is. And we got Jorginho, Jordan Henderson, limited edition, Jake Livermore, James Madison, and N'Golo Kante, game breaker. So we're on to the defenders, which is Aymeric Laporte. No, is that how you say it? Aymeric Laporte, yeah. Okay, so Ayling, Jack O'Connell, Toby Alderweireld, and finally Alex Arnold card, because he's a great defender, and why not? And finally, the goalkeeper is Edison, limited edition. And here's the trophy card, and I couldn't pick this one in because look at all of these golden ballers. So I got 5 golden ballers in one opening. And guys, I'm going to go for I'm going to do the cards of the day. So first place, I am going to go for Mo Salah, forward. No, golden baller. Second place, I'm going to go for Son for second place. And finally, I am going to go for Harry Oh, no. Harry Kane Golden Baller. So his first place, his second place, and his third place. And the trophy card, yes, is so good, but we'll put it for fourth. We could put it for fourth. We could put Marcus Rashford for fifth. And, yeah. So guys, that is the end of the opening there. Just face it, that's probably one of the best openings on YouTube. Because we've got 5 golden ballers and a trophy cards. And loads of limited editions. But anyway, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button and subscribe down below. That would help me a lot. And hope you enjoy the rest of your day and you know what to do. Chill.